In this episode, we're covering one of the most crucial steps in getting your windows right, the measuring stage. The difference between a perfect fit and a complicated install always comes down to how well you measure. To walk us through, we've got Aaron here from Blinds Australia, and he's going to share all the expert tips that you need to get this stage right. Aaron, where do we start?
Well, before we grab the tape measure, we need to think about function. How do you want your curtains and blinds to work in your space? If you want a neat built-in finish for your blinds, you might go for a reveal fit. That is, inside the frame. Just remember, you'll need at least 60 mil of reveal depth for the blind to fit properly. If light blockout is your main goal, an outside or face fit is the way to go, because it overlaps the frame and covers any light gaps. For curtains, you've got the choice between face fixed track, mounted to the wall above the window, or ceiling fixed tracks, which makes the walls feel higher and the room feel more dramatic. So ask yourself, will the blinds roll down flat? Will that curtain clear the bench or handle? Thinking about these little things up front will save you so much frustration later.
So it's not just about the window itself, it's about the whole room working together.
Another thing to remember is don't just take one measurement, take three. Top, middle and bottom. One other thing to remember is the curtain stack size. That's how much space the curtain fabric takes up when it's open. A good rule of thumb is roughly a quarter of the curtain's total width.
So the secret is really slowing down and getting this stage right. Check once, measure twice. And while you're at it, check out the Blinds Australia website for all your tips and tricks. They've got step-by-step guides for every type of blind and curtain, plus handy tips to keep you on track. With those resources on hand, you'll measure like a pro.